So I got some more parts over here, but I'll also show you guys what these parts are for. Totaled G37X 2012. I'm gonna get some light on it here, but it's kind of dark right now, you can't see shit. 130 something kilometers, so not miles. There's a bit of wrap here I've been trying to take off. Yeah, front end collision. I'll get some better videos in the day. Check out this interior. It's fucking gutted. Not really, but like it is kind of. Looks pretty bad, but it's kind of, I'm hoping one of those things where it looks worse than it is. I'm gonna take all these parts out and shit and try and organize them and put them back in. This dog needs to shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, basically all this fucking shit is headliners ripped apart. I'm gonna fucking take all these bolts and whatever I can out. And then, yeah, here's just a mini update. Probably gonna update you guys in the morning or when there's day. But yeah. Alright, next day. I don't know if I showed this. I tried to organize a little bit. Got some parts. I got a new battery today. Oh, that's good. Shout out warranty. Here's the car in the day. Do a full walk around. I do like the white. The rear end looks good. Oh yeah, look at that. Fat ass. It looks pretty good on, like, from this angle, you know. And then, yeah, I guess not, maybe the wheel. Took the seat out. Took most of the interior, all the bolts and whatever I could find. I should have brought a shop vac. I can go back and get one. But yeah, that actually looks fucking nice in here. Like, ever since I took that shit out, looks doable, I guess. Oh, I didn't know there's plastic over there taken out. It's kind of annoying. I hope I have that. Yeah. I gotta get a headliner. I didn't know headliners are so expensive. People are trying to charge me on Facebook like $300. Plus I gotta drive like an hour plus there. So like, hopefully I can find. I basically only want to buy parts that are like good deals, and then this thing would be like worth restoring and fixing. But if I can't, like, bro, this guy wanted to charge me like $550 for 2 used headlights. Like, what the fuck, for used ass yellow headlights? $550, bro. Here's the damage, I guess. It's hitting on the fender there. The hood, I don't know if this is salvageable. There is some bends in it, but like, honestly, I wonder if that is repairable. Might not be. Yeah, it's kind of all crunched in right there. You can see, if you can see, this paint like does look good in the day. That flake. Disregard the dirt on it. Yeah, here's the damage in the day. I'm gonna start ripping this shit apart so you can actually like see what the fuck this thing is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try and take off fenders, bumper, headlights, try and get this out, but it's pretty crunched in there, so we're gonna have to see. Stay tuned. Hopefully I have this most of the front end off today. That's my goal. But yeah, it's actually I think this is like my first time seeing it in the day actually too, and like that paint looks pretty good. Besides all the dirt. Look at this fucking dog. This guy is barking nonstop. Little fucker. Yeah, I think I need new intakes as well. I think that's all crushed, broken. But yeah, we're just gonna have to rip it apart and see if we find any more damage. This is the G right now. That's how it's looking. Pretty fucked. But we got the headlights, fenders, what else? Crash bar. I'm about to get this radiator out, hopefully. And then it should be good. Oh yeah, I gotta take those off. Side skirts. What else did I do? I think that's it. Got a new battery today. Mint. Hell yeah. It's actually not too bad, eh? Oh, this thing's gonna die. Check this out. All the parts.
My phone's about to die. I just heard another car cold start though.
Alright, here we go. Yo, I gotta bring that chair in. Here it is. After a hard day's work. We basically have everything out. Even the radiator. I think I could basically rip that out. I'm not sure if I could reuse that maybe. Broke the fucking power steering in the process. Broke one of the lines. Just being dumb. What else? Oh yeah, we're gonna start it up here now. Took these hood latches out and everything. Hell yeah, what do you gotta say?
Fuck yeah.
Gonna start this thing up. Let's start this beast. The wheel's kind of fucked, and I gotta drive it out here because my landlord is fucking choked. But gotta put my foot on the brake, eh? Alright. I do hear some shit. I did there. Smells like a dirt bike. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna check out see if the fans are actually working, honestly. The fans aren't on. I don't know if it has to get up to temp to turn on. I think so. But if that line's hitting. Nah, we're good. I don't think anything's hitting on it. Doesn't sound too bad. Look at that, you can like see the interior all gutted. I'm gonna turn it off. But honestly, I don't see no codes. There's a triangle with a thing there. I gotta see what my friend he knows how to control this thing, all the buttons and shit. So I don't know why it's beeping at me like that. Yo, why is it beeping at me like that, yo? What the hell? Something's beeping. See that? Yo, look at this. Oh, what's that red thing beeping there? I think I've seen it. You gotta before. Lock it, right?
I don't know.
Because the battery's in it now, I think so.
I think it might just do that when
Oh, dude, the horn still works, dude. That's funny because there's like 2 horns and one of them's ripped. I think that one is. Maybe not. Look, I thought this was for the horn. I guess not. Wow. All right. Oh, I think I did hit the button, like the trunk maybe when I got out of the car. No. Dude, how? I got a new battery in there. Yo, see, look. That light's on, bro.
Still?
I think because the anti-theft is like triggered because the battery's just put in it or whatever. Might need like a reset or something. I don't know. Oh yeah, we gotta fucking move this car, I guess. I'm not really stoked about that. Technically can drive. I don't really want to. I might just, even though it's good, leave it. Because I really don't want to drive it, even though I just started it. I like fuck. That's so annoying. I think it would be easier. It's definitely not easier working over there. You gotta walk to the shop every fucking all the time. I'm gonna see. Maybe I can talk to the landlord if the cover's over or something. You know.
Yeah, you should.
Cause like that's so fucked. But I hope I don't have to move this car. I technically can. I worked all fucking day to like rip it apart. Doesn't really look like it. Kinda does, I guess. Hey, remember how it looked before?
Yeah, it's ripped apart now, but...
Yeah, does it look way different now, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Even the first time I showed up today, I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, so...
Got like everything off, really.
I don't think... These don't look... I don't think these are bent, eh?
No, it doesn't look like it. I was looking at that too.
And I think there's one underneath, though, that I gotta check.
Alright, bud. I'm getting her going.
Are you heading out?
Yeah, it's freezing.
Alright, yo.
I think I got all my shit. I got my blisters.
Hell yeah. Alright. I think that's it for the G for tonight. We'll get another interior shot. I like this. Interior. Look at that. The keys work. Lights back there work. Oh. There we go.
You gonna be
Look at that. It's like this side's basically together, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice. Just like the rest. Just the rest is gone. but yeah.
Alright, yo. The tail
Alright,
lights
kid.
on it look so sexy.
Easy. Yeah, they do, yo.
I'll tell you.
Alright, yo.